Okay, the blue jays are molting for winter, and a couple of them are bald. I'm trying to catch it on film. No? Actually, Blue is bald. My main jay. He goes bald every time. And it's so funny. Come on. Come on down. There you go. Check that out. Look at you, Blue. You look like a monster. Oh, I must have upset his feelings. Actually, that might be a fledgling. Well, not a fledgling. A new one of the babies balding because he flew away. That was Blue. He would have flew right down on the ground, got that peanut. But that's cool. You got to see. Blue looks like a regular jay with a totally bald head. That one looked a little different, but still looked as creepy as they look when they have bald heads. They're the only bird I know that goes bald like that. Cutting back my gardens. It's coming to an end. Made a path. Ciao. Happy Friday.